And then we have potato soup. It's not even potato cheddar soup, it's just potato soup. Restores 10 points of health and 10 points of stamina. So we're about to make the potato cheddar soup out of Skyrim's cookbook. Okay, I've got all of our ingredients here. It's half a cup of heavy cream, half a cup of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of Stormcloak seasoning. I've got half a cup of cheddar, plus a little more. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 to 4 medium russet potatoes, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 small onion, and also it calls for some crumbled bacon. We're gonna make this, guys. So I'm just gonna cut up these potatoes. You're supposed to peel them, but I don't want to peel them. We're just gonna cube these. These recipes in the Skyrim book are pretty easy, unless you're recording them and cutting them together and stuff, but not a lot of people want to do that. It doesn't say to rinse your potatoes to reduce the starch, but if you want to, I would probably do that. So I might be leaving on the skin, but I will put them in cold water to rinse them off. Let them soak while I cut up the onion and start the soup. One small onion is the recipe it calls for. So I'm going to go ahead and get the whole onion. In a pot, in a medium saucepan, it says you're going to go ahead and do the 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're just going to saute the onion until it's clear. So we're supposed to add the 2 tablespoons of butter. The 2 tablespoons of flour, so that the flour incorporates into the butter that we've done put in there. What you're going to do is stir that up until the flour dissipates in the butter. Chicken broth goes in next, and milk. Half a cup of whole milk, followed by the cubed potatoes. Turn up the heat so the mixture simmers and cook until potatoes are quite soft, about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cover it as well. 15 minutes later, so I guess I've been simmering pretty hard. Go hard or go home. I'm going to keep it to a simmer so it slowly cooks and is not too violent there. They're getting pretty tender. And you're going to want to have a potato masher because you're supposed to mash up this recipe so it's nice and smooth. It says here in the Skyrim cookbook, using an immersion blender or potato masher, blend the soup until it's an even texture. Add the cheddar cheese, Stormcloak seasoning, and just enough of the cream to get consistency you like. Ladle into serving dishes, and top with crumbled bacon if desired. And it is ready for serving. I'm going to take some pictures and I'll go enjoy it now. Porker loaves. Look at that. Look at dinner. Aren't you jealous? Oh my god. And then only if there was really skooma in there. Instead, I'm going to make some hot tea.